Hi everyone, we'll go back to reaction with Director Carson. Before I could tell you for the next one, in this video is going to be a season 1 final because we have made it to the last episode, which means it goes to a season final. For the next, a Sonic Boom was season 1 episode 52. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. It takes a village to defeat a hedgehog. It's a long word to pause it and say it. Let's continue for the last episode.
Dr. Eggman, why did you call us here?
All will be revealed in due time, my friends. We're still waiting on one more arrival.
But I have a noon shift at my burger. If I'm late, I'll never get that raise to minimum wage.
Wait a minute. Did Dr. Eggman call them?
In this room,
Are those guys from the previous video?
Nefarious,
Which means the episode?
Repugnant? Is that a word? It didn't need to be until we had this much evil inside one room. Anyway, you're here because we all have something in common.
A love of fine cheeses?
Well, yes, but besides that, we all share a mutual enemy, Sonic the Hedgehog, and his rodent
Sonic
friends.
the Hedgehog?
Stop them before they destroy us all.
Thanks for helping me put together.
Oh, please. Sonic and his friends are heroes. Our heroes.
Oh, you'd be surprised how much they can fit in one little box.
These are some fine cheeses.
But where are the crackers? I wanted everything to be perfect. Keep calm, everyone. I'll send Orbot out to the store. Whew, crisis averted. So this is why you called me here.
Huh? Oh my gosh! Shadow!
Shadow the Hedgehog? Hey,
Ooh! I thought that was him. I shouldn't worn my white pants.
the second most popular character in the whole canon. Let me get you a chair, Mr.
I recognize him. It was from the game or the video in YouTube.
I prefer to stand. Of course. You rogue, you. I like standing too. Everyone on your feet. Where were we?
Like Shadow.
There are no words, just pictures.
Just like the novel I'm writing. The plot's there, but the characters are all over the place. And so, with my superior leadership...
Well, Metal Sonic, then Shadow always appear in Season 1. That's all I see.
You're calling the shots. I'm the best villain here. I spend more time on the pen than all of you combined.
All that proves is that you're the best at getting caught.
What we need is an educated fellow, an organized leader who knows how to keep hotheads like you under control and can maintain parliamentary procedure.
Objection!
I don't like this. They're planning up or something.
Point of order. Objection is courtroom terminology, not parliamentary.
Like from the video is Don't Judge Me, the episode.
Sci-fi classic Battle Force Galaxia knows. Our leader should be a young, inexperienced teenager who's destined for glory. Lest you want to repeat Admiral Glork's mistakes.
You're losing focus! Remember, I'm the one who called this meeting. And great job, by the way. Who picked out this stemware? It's barely worth stealing.
Heavy discussing each other.
Man, get it together. I know what this group needs. Time for some team building exercises. Fall backward into your buddy's arms and allow them to catch you. This is called a trust fall. My fault.
Shadow is not doing anything. Who cares?
You never know what's going to happen on the battlefield, which is why it's important to think on your feet. This is a little game I used to play with my old improv troupe, the Giggle Snorts. It's called Zip, Zap, Zop. We pass around an imaginary ball, saying zip, zap, or zop as we go. I'll start. Zip, zap.
Not doing anything.
Shadow, You want to zap that one over to Dave? And maybe zap that bad boy back to me? No? He piffed it. We'll count that. Great job, Shadow.
Silence, fool. I've suffered your presence long enough.
No, don't go. We're not done bonding yet. We were gonna roast wieners and play flashlight tag.
What Shadow's gonna do? Fight Sonic?
Like this has never been assembled before.
I see no villains, just some fools whose only ability is wasting time.
That's something, isn't it?
No, not really.
How do we tell the difference?
Well, he's gone, but I don't know, he just disappeared like a teleport.
Bracket, right?
Tails, so help me. If you've been confusing L brackets and T brackets this whole time,
Who used all the D screws? All I have left are J knobs, which are worthless. And has anyone seen back panel G?
Haven't seen it. Oh wait, there it is.
great. Now we have to go back to the store and exchange the whole thing. Come on, let's pack it up.
You're gonna need a bigger box.
Sonic always beats me. With Shadow on our squad, we have a real chance. He's so cool and edgy.
If standing in the corner while everybody else has fun makes you cool, then I must have been the coolest guy at my junior prom.
And we all know that's not true, so I say nuts to Shadow. He's not a team player like the rest of us.
With Dr. Eggman's superior leadership skills and our blind loyalty, we can do whatever we set our evil minds to.
I'm sorry, are they discussing their feelings?
You guys. All right, team, gather round. Here's the plan.
We've got a brand new Bjorksklargen. Let's just build it right here.
Then when we mess up, we can get yet another one. Great idea, Sonic.
That's why I'm the leader. Now let's dominate this.
Wait,
cheap
Sonic's the
piece of
leader?
furniture
I don't know.
To the best of our limited ability.
Well, Sonic is the first character of the Sonic the Hedgehog in the game.
Well, we're out of parts and instructions.
Sounds like a military training music.
Team.
Did somebody call for a dramatic entrance?
Tails, get us an aerial survey. We'll take them out from
Well,
down
Sonic
here.
and your friends is begin the final battle in the season 1. Prepare for final battle.
Gonna try and shift.
Fight!
He stole my purse! My baby pictures!
An ambush!
Knuckles, that one's all you.
You do it, Knuckles.
Looks like your team is...
Sonic will handle
Hey,
this.
you periwinkle pipsqueak.
I can take you one-on-one any day, egghead.
Who said anything about one-on-one?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Don't worry, Sonic, you can do this and your friends. Ugh, gross ink.
It's working. The plan's actually working.
Oh man, Sonic and his friends are not gonna win this.
Can opener.
No!
Well, it's like Dr. Eggman of his friends getting ruined.
I'm busy next week.
What means failure. Ha ha ha!
Even with all this help, you still couldn't defeat Sonic.
Sonic is Shadow. Sonic versus Shadow. Let's
Join Team Eggman. I'm geeking out here.
fight!
Need any help, Shadow? Okay, you got this one. Oh, I just missed you. Allow me to... okay, you just tag me in when you're ready.
Out of the way, you buffoon.
Way to go, Sonic.
Excuse me, I'm with Shadow.
shoddy craftsmanship brings shame on all hedgehog kind.
You wish you're gonna would have done that, Shadow. Sonic! No!
Sonic was defeated by Team Eggman. Victory selfie!
Sonic, you're okay. Finish him. And Sonic's friends finished them too.
You fool! I had him just where I wanted him.
Sorry, that one's on me, Shadow. I forgot to turn off the flash. Pink looks great, though, if it's any consolation.
Enough! How's a guy supposed to destroy his foes with dolts like you wandering around? We'll fight again soon, Sonic, but next time on my terms.
Shadow thinks it's not over,
Great job,
but
everybody.
he will
We may not
return.
be able
We'll
to
see
build
about
the
that.
but we sure as heck could clobber some creeps. Speaking of which... And now, guys, let's not point fingers about who's to blame for this little scuffle. Oh!
Good idea.
What a swell adventure!
And you both?
Sure hope there's more next year.
Just
Nothing.
think of all the
All right.
hundreds more stories to be told using the same 8 characters and 4 locations. The possibilities are limitless.
Just to be on the safe side, maybe we should start an internet petition.
Well, the final battle is over. Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 52. The end. What that means is Sonic Boom, Season 1, the end. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe so I'll make some more videos. Before I have to go, Sonic Boom will return in Season 2. But coming soon on next month, December 8th, 2022. But I'll change my schedule is make a next video for every time is next 8 days, and next 8 days, and next 8 days. That's all I'm gonna do. Like 4 plus 4 equals to 8. So, goodbye. Oh, yesterday, happy Thanksgiving.